Good chilly morning, virtual brothers and sisters. Paul here, coming to you live from the bachelor pad, particularly for you guys in the audience, ramping up for the holiday season. If you're in a bachelor pad like myself, go pick up an amaryllis bulb and just pick this one up here. And instead of planting it in the cheap plastic pot to the right, I had a terracotta pot that fit it nicely. The cool thing is you can inspect these bulbs before. Just open the box and check out the bulb. I did that to several bulbs in the store before selecting on this grand sized bulb. And you only need an inch or two space between the bulb and the pot. You want to plant these in a smaller pot. It comes a lot of times in these kits with a compressed puck of a peat moss coco fiber planting medium, and you can see that in there. That is more than peat moss because it's got those long strands in there, which I'm guessing might be coconut fiber. I soaked this for 1 hour, the bulb, before planting it, and that wakes it up because it's really dry. It's been put into a state of dormancy. That's how you winter these things over, which hopefully I'll be doing next year. So after a good hour soak and reconstituting that puck with water, it just expands hugely. Like a puck this big filled up this whole terracotta planter, which is really cool. And then just plant that in there. Don't water it. You want to let it waken up first and put it by a window. That's my window. And even after a couple days, I'm noticing that shoot right there is definitely waking up. It's definitely gotten bigger, and I can see it turning towards the light more. That was pressed flat against those other dried stalks there like 2 days ago. So I believe this bulb is waking up. I've wrapped it up in some cloth here just to give it a little extra TLC because my apartment is rather cool. Anyhow, I'll be looking forward to updating you guys about this as it blooms.